Article 20. First, everyone has the right to freedom of peaceful assembly and association. Second, no one may be compelled to belong to an association.
Article 20. Right to peaceful assembly or association. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights enshrines the right to peaceful association and assembly, affirming that every individual has the full right to freely form and participate in groups, organizations, and gatherings as long as they comply with the provisions of the law in their respective countries. This right is foundational to the functioning of a democratic society and the protection of individual freedoms, enabling people to come together for various purposes without fear of interference or repression. The scope of this right is broad and includes the freedom to organize and attend a wide range of gatherings. This encompasses personal and social events such as family reunions, wedding celebrations, and other special functions where people gather to mark significant occasions. It also includes religious gatherings, where individuals come together to practice and express their faith collectively. The freedom to assemble for religious purposes is particularly important for ensuring the free exercise of religion and fostering a sense of community among believers. In addition to social and religious gatherings, Article 20 explicitly protects the right to assemble for the purpose of peaceful protest. This aspect is crucial for the exercise of civil and political rights, allowing individuals to collectively express their opinions, advocate for changes, and bring attention to various issues. Peaceful protests are a vital form of democratic participation, providing a means for citizens to voice their concerns and demand accountability from their governments. The right to association also extends to the formation and membership of organizations, whether they be political parties, trade unions, non-governmental organizations, or other groups that people join to pursue common interests and goals. This freedom enables individuals to organize around causes they care about, engage in collective bargaining, and participate in the political process. It ensures that people can work together to influence public policy, advocate for social justice, and promote various initiatives. However, while Article 20 guarantees these freedoms, it also acknowledges that they must be exercised within the framework of the law. This means that gatherings and associations must be peaceful and respect the legal restrictions put in place to protect public order, safety, and the rights of others. Governments have the responsibility to regulate assemblies to prevent violence and ensure that public spaces can be used safely by all. In essence, Article 20 is a cornerstone of democratic engagement, facilitating the formation of communities and the expression of collective will. It empowers individuals to connect, organize, and advocate for their interests, contributing to a vibrant and pluralistic society. By protecting the right to peaceful association and assembly, this article ensures that people can actively participate in social, religious, and political life, fostering a more inclusive and responsive governance structure.
Article 21. First, everyone has the right to take part in the government of his country, directly or through freely chosen representatives. Second, everyone has the right of equal access to public service in his country. Third, the will of the people shall be the basis of the authority of government. This will shall be expressed in periodic and genuine elections, which shall be by universal and equal suffrage, and shall be held by secret vote or by equivalent free voting procedures.
Article 21. Right to participate in government. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights establishes the right of every individual to participate in the government of their country, either directly or through freely chosen representatives. This article underscores the fundamental democratic principle that all citizens should have a voice in the governance of their society, ensuring that government is truly representative and accountable to the people. The right to participate in government encompasses several key aspects. Firstly, it means that every citizen has the right to seek and hold public office. This includes the opportunity to contest elections and, if elected, to serve in positions of authority. This provision ensures that government positions are accessible to all individuals, regardless of their background or status, fostering a diverse and inclusive political landscape. Secondly, Article 21 guarantees the right to equal access to public service. This means that all individuals should have the opportunity to benefit from public services and participate in public administration without facing discrimination or favoritism. Public service roles and benefits should be distributed fairly, ensuring that no one receives special treatment based on personal connections, wealth, or other arbitrary factors. This provision promotes transparency and equality within government institutions and services, reinforcing the principle that public resources and opportunities should be available to all citizens. Furthermore, this article enshrines the principle of secret voting. Secret ballots are a critical component of free and fair elections, ensuring that individuals can vote according to their true preferences without fear of retribution or coercion. The secrecy of the vote protects individuals from potential consequences that might arise from their political choices, such as social ostracism, professional repercussions, or physical threats. By safeguarding the confidentiality of voters' choices, Article 21 helps to maintain the integrity of the electoral process and ensures that elections reflect the genuine will of the people. In essence, Article 21 promotes a participatory and equitable political system where every individual has the right to engage in governance, access public services, and exercise their voting rights freely and securely. It embodies the democratic values of inclusivity, fairness, and accountability, ensuring that government is responsive to the needs and aspirations of all its citizens. By upholding these principles, Article 21 helps to create a political environment where the rights and voices of individuals are respected and valued, fostering a more just and democratic society.